Lovevery's Persister Playkit for 4-year-olds ages 55 to 57 months is one box that you will not want to skip. I have reviewed many of the Lovevery Playkits, and this box is at the top of my list. Have you ever wondered what makes some kids excel at math while others struggle? A few years ago, I came across an interesting article that explored this exact question. It considered a variety of factors like natural intelligence and access to quality education, but the conclusion was surprising. With all other factors being equal, the key difference came down to one thing: persistence. It wasn't that kid A was inherently better at math than kid B. The real difference was in their approach. When kid A encountered a challenging problem, they didn't give up. They kept trying, learning, and pushing through the difficulty. That persistence made all the difference. That is what this Playkit is all about. It's helping your child learn the very valuable skill of persistence. Let's take a look inside the Playkit and see what makes this kit so special. One of my son's favorite activities in this box is the Pathbuilder marble maze. This activity is a hands-on challenge that encourages children to use their problem-solving skills and creativity. It comes with a maze board and maze templates that increase in difficulty, and includes multiple pieces that need to be correctly identified, matched, and oriented to build a functioning pathway for the marble. Each piece has unique features like bends, straight sections, or intersections, which must be aligned perfectly to guide the marble from start to finish. It's not just about putting the pieces together, but it's about experimenting and learning through trial and error to find the best way to make the pathway work. What makes this activity even more engaging is that it requires focus and persistence and patience. Kids have the freedom to try different configurations and test their designs and adapt when something doesn't work. It's a fun and interactive way to build critical thinking and resilience. If you have a child who is interested in learning to read or is a beginner reader, the Montessori Movable Alphabet game is perfect for helping children learn and practice early letter recognition and sound skills. This is a board game that your kids will be asking to play again and again. It helps to teach your children letter recognition, phonics, and word building skills. It can be played independently and multiplayer, and can be played with children at different levels of reading, which makes it a great game to play with siblings. This activity comes with a movable alphabet letterboard, game cards, a die, and small language objects. The letterboard has compartments for each letter, allowing children to easily find and manipulate the pieces, and the vowels you can see are in blue and the consonants are in red. The game cards include prompts like pictures or words that guide children in forming words or matching letters to sounds. The accompanying language objects, which are the miniature tangible representations of items like cat, hat, or bat, add a tactile element to the game and make it even more engaging. There are 2 sets of cards, one for beginner spellers and one for more advanced, which, like I said earlier, makes the game perfect to play with children of different reading levels. The next item in the kit is the innovative Draw, Trace, and Erase board. This board is a perfect blend of fun and education. The wipeable board invites children to explore their creativity through free-form drawing while also building foundational writing skills by tracing lines, letters, and words. The act of tracing and erasing helps kids improve their hand control and coordination, which is essential for writing. It also builds muscle memory, setting the foundation for good handwriting in the future. I love the compact design and the convenient on-the-go tote, which makes it perfect for home or in the car or on a trip. Next in the box, you will find the Calming Circle paired with the Breathing Activities Guide, a powerful duo designed to support emotional development and mindfulness. The guide introduces 7 engaging breathing techniques that are perfect for helping children navigate big emotions like frustration, anger, and anxiety. Each exercise is easy to follow and encourages kids to pause, breathe, and reset when they're feeling overwhelmed. The Calming Circle adds a hands-on element to the process, serving as a supportive tool for little hands to hold and manipulate. Together, the guide and the calming circle empower kids to develop self-regulation skills, foster emotional awareness, and build resilience. The Playkit also includes the charming book Jilly and Jet, a beautifully written story that helps children understand and navigate challenging emotions. In the story, Jet faces big feelings like frustration and sadness, but learns how to work through them using the calming circle. I love the Lovevery books because they use real-life people and relatable examples to teach meaningful lessons, making it easier for children to connect and learn. Before I wrap up the video, I have to remind you about the play guide that comes in every box. Inside, you'll find creative ways to use the toys, lots of at-home activity ideas, and expert-backed information about your child's current stage of growth. That's all I have for today's video. If you're interested in purchasing this box or any of the other Lovevery play kits, I'll have the link in the description box below. And as always, if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!